Iain Mitchell. I'm an architect. I work for Sinclair Watt Architects. We're a local practice here in Leavenmouth, and we're working with FEET on the renovation of the former Flax mill at Silverburn Park. The project is to convert the building into a visitor centre and offices for FEET, and also a walkers' hostel. And the visitor centre will contain a cafe, some craft workshops and a shop and some meeting spaces. This short video is to describe the interior design approach for the building. The building is a very distinct architectural form. We think the building was built as the railways were coming in to Leaven, and was built by the same workers that built the railway. And the distinct form is of red brick arches. The whole building is constructed in this form, and it is this industrial railway aesthetic that we want to feature within the building. So in the main public spaces, which is the circulation space and the cafe area, the brick arch form will be very much on show. It will be showcased throughout that space. The red brick was also used in the floor of the former flax mill, and again there will be areas within this, specifically the circulation area, and some areas within the cafe where we will use the red brick on the floor as well. There are choices to be made for the floor of the main cafe area, and that's likely to be a quarry tile or a timber floor, but that choice is still to be made. The roof of the flax mill is of timber construction, and it's very much on show within this main public space. We don't intend to change that. We are renovating it and fixing it, but it will stay as the main feature within that space. Any new interventions that we're putting in, which are the new windows, new steelwork to support the roof, that will be clearly identified within the space. We're thinking that will be painted dark grey to form a contrast with the red brick. One interesting point was we did tests on the existing timber windows and doors within the building. We took all the layers of paint back, and we got to the original paint colour that was there, which is this kind of heritage green colour. So it is our intention that any new woodwork going into the building, new doors, new timber windows, that they would be coloured this original colour as well. So there will be just a very, hopefully a very original feel within the main public spaces. So this is the mood board for the shop area and main meeting space within the flax mill. Again, very accessible by the public, these spaces. The brick arched wall form will again be on show in this area, but we're looking to soften this area with some carpet finishes on the floor within the meeting space, and a quarry tile finish within the shop space itself. This is part of the building where there is a second story above this space, so the ceiling here is the existing joists will be exposed, and these will be lime washed as they would have been in the former flax mill. The choices to be made here really are on the pattern and colours for the carpet, and the colours of the quarry tiles, and obviously the paint finishes on the parts of wall that aren't exposed brick. We would propose that the carpet finishes have a kind of non-directional pattern on them, mainly because the walls of the flax mill are not at right angles to each other. They're not plumb. There's been a lot of movement within the building, so I think a non-directional pattern would be best for these spaces. This is the mood board for the walkers' hostel rooms. There's 10 in total, all have ensuite shower rooms. So the choices here are really the carpet finish within the hostel rooms, the paint finishes on the walls and ceilings, and then in the en-suites the vinyl colour for the floor, the wet wall colour for the walls, and the paint colour for the ceilings. These are proposals. There's a few choices here. Obviously, the final choice will be down to you guys.